bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I'm here to tell you about Rest More. It's an all-natural sleep formula, and unlike Ambien or Z-Quil that just knock you out, Rest More is non-narcotic and it helps you fall asleep with a unique blend of vitamins, herbs, and minerals. If healthy, restful sleep is important to you, I recommend Rest More.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.